On the student profile page, you'll find the following details: the student's current age, gender, and the number of gray cases they have. The Personal Information tab allows you to access their personal details, including their parents' information and which parent their account is linked to. The Edit Student tab allows you to modify the student's information. In the Student Financial Account tab, you can view and manage invoices. Here, you can generate invoices and clear the student's outstanding balance, which is helpful when deleting an invoice or when a miscellaneous invoice is rejected by the parent. You can also review generated invoices and reported fee default gray cases. The Academic Result tab provides access to view, generate, or upload the student's academic results and educational history, including schools attended before and during Greynote, along with transfers and pre-Greynote schools that verified the student's uploaded results. You can view, generate, and upload results here. On the profile page, the basic information box includes the student's current school name, enrollment date, and class. In the next box, the attendance record displays green circles for days the student was present and red circles for days marked absent. The financials box shows recent invoices generated for the student, and the gray case box allows you to view details of gray cases generated for the student by your school. Note that if the case wasn't registered by your school, you won't have access to the details.